You will love this roasted pumpkin salad. It's made with kale, curry pumpkin, beets, spiced nuts, and cranberries, all dressed up in a delicious mustard maple vinaigrette. For this salad recipe, half of the pumpkin is enough. Save the other half for a soup or a nice breakfast hash. Start by cutting the pumpkin into a half and scoop out the seeds. Then I like to take the peel off. This works really well with a vegetable peeler. Slice and cut into nice big chunks. They're about an inch in size. Add everything to a baking sheet. Then cut the beets into quarters. You can leave the peel on. After they're roasted, the peel slides easy off. I like to add some shallots, or you can use half of a red onion and cut it into big chunks as well. And a half a head of garlic. Slice it straight through. We're gonna add it to our veggies. Once the garlic is roasted, it becomes sweet and almost nutty in flavor and not as strong as if you would use fresh garlic. And season with salt and pepper. Generously drizzle olive oil and add some fresh herbs. I got a few twigs of rosemary, thyme, and some oregano. We're gonna roast that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. For crunch, let's make some sweet and spicy nuts. I'm using pecans, and the spice mix consists of brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, smoked paprika, cayenne powder, and garlic powder. Add a little salt and some pepper. Stir it up really good, get out all the lumps from the brown sugar, and pour it over the nuts. Mix it in and bake it alongside the veggies for about 3 to 5 minutes. And while the pumpkin is roasting in the oven, let's make the rest of the salad. I have a small bunch of kale and remove the leafy part from the stem by just running your fingers along the spine. I think a nice mustard vinaigrette will go great with a salad. I'm using a neutral oil. Sunflower, grapeseed, or avocado oils are great. Some creamy mustard, salt and pepper, the juice of a lime, and then smash up some garlic that we roasted earlier. Some yellow French mustard, and drizzle in some maple syrup for that full flavor. Let's add the kale to the bowl. I like to sprinkle a little salt and massage the kale gently just to soften up the leaves. Just like that. Our roasted veggies are ready and have slightly cooled down. Now let's add everything to our kale. I have a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. Then pour the dressing, the sweet and spicy pecans, let's mix it up really good. And top with the remaining roasted veggies to make it pretty. That's it. Hope you will give it a try. You will find a link for this recipe down in the description box. See you next time.